into it again for the first time in God who knows. It's been a while. Um, I want to say sorry for not having streamed for such a long time. It's the thing is I streamed every Saturday, but then I had a long period where I was busy every Saturday, and because I'm a very habit based person, like I have to stream on Saturday or it's not happening. I just haven't been streaming at all. So, I figured, today is Thursday, I think. Is it Thursday? Wait, what day is it? Yeah, it is Thursday. Um, so I just figured, whatever the fuck. I'm just gonna live stream. There's something I wanted to do actually, and hopefully, being broadcasted to the world will help me stay on track. Now, give me one moment. I need to ping my Discord server. We live. We're living. IRL real. Hmm? Oh, that's okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Good. Little problem earlier where my little character didn't show up. For some reason, but it seemed to have fixed itself, which is very nice. So what I'm trying to figure out, and this might be a bit boring, is I saw this project which is called Wino Project. It's a Yume Nikki online project. Oh, I like. Okay, well, give it a moment. I'll show you what this stuff is all about. I think it's. God, I don't have a clue where that button was, but someone showed me. UI theme. Can I turn the audio of the game off? There you go. Let me see. There was like a little way to open a map, I think. Maybe that's only a Yume 2 key.
Fill a bus.
Fill a bus. Yeah, we're still not there. Crazy shit, right? We have 3 more followers than last time, or at least so says the kill feed or whatever that is. Yeah, let's go. It's awesome. Makes me very happy. Thank you so much, guys, for all the support. I'm trying to figure out where that little button is. Yeah, so maybe it's only there. There was like a little way to check out an entire map of how things connect. I'm trying to figure out where that is. Just over here?
I never thought I'd get this far.
Did I just say that? I don't remember. Community screenshots. Yeah, that's very cool. Where's the map? I should have figured out where this is.
So we made it, guy. Such a large amount of people in such a short amount of time.
It's just phenomenal to me. So guys, we did it. We reached 250,000 subscribers. Wait, is this... That's Wino Project. My brain can't even figure out how to open that map that I wanted to show. Or is that maybe a different... No, that's not a different one. Right? Okay. Very cool. Oh, now the effect worked. This is very annoying. I'm so sorry. Maybe I have to have an account. I'll do that some other time. That doesn't make sense. How to open map on I like that it just doesn't understand what Wino project is. Maybe someone will show me. Oh yeah, okay, so those symbols are just not on my HUD. They're supposed to be here. Okay, I'm gonna try making an account.
16x speed annuum.
Oh, that's a password. Oh. That's funny. So did it successfully make an account now? Every time I try to log in, it does this. Very cool. Okay, let me turn off my pop-up blockers and stuff. Shows an easier way to do that. Okay,
What
so
you planning to do?
Okay, what I was trying to figure out, remember, how I was trying to figure out how to, read out the maps from, what's the game called? Nidhogg 2. I figured out that apparently all the sprites from Yume Nikki, well, they're just, you know, they're just all there. Unlike the other one, picture. They also have XYZ files. I don't know what those are. Now that I think of it. Battle character sets. I think a lot of these are just like random standard RPG Maker things. Yeah. Funny. Backdrop, character set, movie. But anyway, so I'm trying to figure out the LMU file type, basically. But I wanted to show you the cool thing, but I can't seem to because it doesn't let me. Oh yeah, I was trying to turn off the pop-up blocker thing. Okay, give me a moment for that. I'm sorry for getting so horribly distracted, but you know this is just kind of how these kind of things go. Cookie notice blocker. That's probably the one fucking it up, right? No, that's not the one. Okay, maybe the other pop-up blocker that I have. Oh, apparently I already took that one off. Why do I still have it then? Okay, apparently that didn't work. This is strange. Why is this happening? I should have made an account beforehand. It's like it just doesn't agree. This reminds me a lot of Twitter right now, actually. You remember how I can't log into Twitter? What is this? Just nothing. Why can't
Matt
I log
not
into
allowed to
anything?
log into anything.
Yeah, no, seriously. I'm gonna try to clear my cookies real quick. Actually, I'll try to clear my cookies in general. Good, okay. Let me try now. So, I'll just go to the main page. Maybe that would help. No, can't log in on the main page. Oh, wait a moment. No, I thought I was clicking on the game. They have a GitHub? No fucking way. Wait a moment. How does this work? Wait, I'll show it on the right screen. Rename hell to flamelit wasteland. Fixed. Oh. How does it work? How does this work? Tell me how it works. Config es it's jaco ch. What? I don't understand. Why no project? Why no locations? Forest orb. This organization has no public members.
Pop Nemo.
Hey there. Konnichiwa, fuwa gokosu. Yeah, I'm not learning very much from this. So we have server forced. What does forced orb do? What could this possibly be? Append 2-key version for preloads. Use new connection subdomain.
Interesting how the stream overlay only recognizes one Japanese character.
You're right, that is weird. Why does it go fu, but then not go fu a gokosu? It just goes fu. Yeah, that is not normal. Strange behavior all around. Yeah, hey guys, I came to the conclusion that I don't have a clue what I'm doing. Okay, so right.
LOL.
Because okay, so the thing is, wow, this video is very high resolution right now. Put on 720p. That button is supposed to be there. That one. And if I click on it, it takes you to a cool little page. But I wanna go there to that page.
Hey.
But I can't. Hi, Mr. Duck. What's hanging? How is it hanging? Or something. Oh man, so annoying, so annoying. Nothing lets me log in anymore. I hate this. They figured out I'm a hacker, I'm sure.
Are you in the system yet? Smiling face with sunglasses.
It's actually much worse. It doesn't allow me to make an account on this website. Oh, they probably don't allow underscores. That's probably it, actually. Whoa, that's not good. Just open a new window. Okay, let me try that.
Job bad but life good 3.
Job bad but life good. I'm glad to hear it. No! It just does this. It just grays stuff out. Like, what is that supposed to be?
Oh no.
Modal overlay. Like, it doesn't log me in. It just does this. Okay, different try. Let's do it in incognito tab, where my where the only thing I have is a pop-up blocker. Oh, what? I mean the ad blocker.
Do the console errors say anything?
Oh yeah, sure. 10 errors. Uncaught type, cannot read properties, content script JS. Language failed to load. Failed to load. API login 1. Clearly it can't seem to load. Fuck, I just wanted to... Ah! I like that it just goes like, hey, you here, everything is in Dutch now. Thanks, guys. You've logged in as Matosama. Something, like one of my extensions is probably fucking it up. But is there a way I can just turn off all my extensions for a moment? Very cool. I guess I can just like do that. I wonder if that's also why I can't log into Twitter, actually. Don't look at my extensions. Rude. Wow, this music is wonderful.
It didn't work on your phone too though, right?
That's true, but if... Yeah, but why would it work in an incognito tab? At least on this side.
3 creds lol.
Yeah, I'm a very mysterious person.
Twitter.
But I thought you said secrets. No, it says 3 chords. That logged me in. It worked. Very cool.
EY.
Wait, do you think maybe I couldn't open the map because I wasn't in the game yet? Could that be it? Press any key. Yeah, okay. I'm pressing keys. There it is. Okay, maybe it would have shown up if I just played the game. This is gonna load forever now. Why did I do it on Yume Tuki? Wait, I'll go back and I'll go to Yume Nikki instead. Okay. Yes. Oh, does this one not have the map? Guess it doesn't. Or maybe I have to get into Dream World first. Let me take a nap. Honk. Me, 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 me. Oh, this one doesn't have the map like that. That's weird. Yeah, so anyway, that's very cool. That was a waste of time. God, this is the worst content I've ever made. Who watches this? What are the controls
Me.
actually? Immersive mode. No chat. I guess because I never saved, I can't continue. Me? What do you mean me? What are you saying me to? Who are you? Even. You made Tuki is a collaboration. Yeah. One of these days we're gonna see the cool map that I was talking about.
I am Lucy Levent from YouTube.
Hi YouTube, Lucy Levent. Oh, this is kind of cool also. This is just a little map thing where it shows you where you can go based on where you are. So I believe if I... Wait, no, you're just supposed to go to bed, of course. Because that's how it goes. You just go me, 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 me.
Hi.
Hi, Aaron TTV. Welcome to the chat.
Welcome.
Welcome.
How are you?
Oh my god, there's so many places I can go. I'm good, I'm good. I'm trying to hack Yume Nikki, but it's, I haven't even started yet. I'm basically gamer. I wanted to show
Why
people...
try to hack?
Why try to hack? Honestly, just for fun. I saw this project, it's called Wino Project. And basically what I want to try to do is just figure out how it works. It's not like I'm gonna I'm not gonna do anything insidious. Like I just want to know how the file type works. For instance, like I downloaded Yumeniki and it has all these LMU files for each map, and I'm just trying to figure out how games made uh, in RPG Maker basically work on the inside. That's my hobby. I don't like playing games. I just like figuring out how they work. Yeah. So anyway, this is gonna load forever. Um, Yumeniki Online. Yeah. I wonder what these are all about. You know, let's just try to read this config.json. Because JSON is usually kind of readable for humans. Oh, that's cool. It just has like a bunch of names. I think this is more so to modify or something, the different places. Or maybe it's like a cache? Who knows? Ja.json. Oh, that's the Japanese translations. I see, I see. URL roots. Where does this take me? Obviously the Japanese version of the wiki, but good point. No, I got rid of it, didn't I? That's not true. Wait, where did... I'm lost! I'm lost on my own computer, help me! Okay, Japanese, Korean, and this would be Chinese then? Like, no? Just z. HTTP Yume Wiki. What does that have to do with anything? Aha. Very cool. This is still loading. Guess I'll go back and turn all my extensions back on. Actually, I want to try logging into Twitter. Yeah, no, Twitter is still broke.
It brokey.
Very brokey. Should I put on some music? I feel like it's a bit quiet. Let's, you know what? I have an idea. Let's put on the entire, you know, to get in the vibe. Yep. Perfect. Oh, I have a little
Kappa
problem.
Pride PJ Salt.
Kappa Pride PJ Salt. What could that possibly mean? Wow, this really is taking a long time to load, huh? Kappa Pride PJ Salt. Ah, my secrets. Yeah, this is strange. It's just not loading very long. Or like, I don't know, last time it also loaded for like an hour.
We have this map 41. And you can see the size is also indicative of what's on it. There's nothing on it, and it's a small map, so it's 4 kilobytes. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna replace this map. So let's take map 84 from Rise Equestria. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna copy it and then paste it right next to it. It's gonna say copy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rename this copied file to map 041.json. Now what we're doing is we're naming it the same as this file so that when we put it in here, it's going to overwrite it. Be very careful when you're doing this because you can overwrite maps that you spend a lot of time on doing. But before we hit OK, there's already a map 41 on this folder. So we're going to do this _2. And then we're going to hit enter. Now what we're going to do is we are going to delete this file, map 041, on our project, the blank one, the 4 kilobyte one. Be careful when deleting maps. This is a touchy thing to do. But if you know what you're doing and you follow this carefully, map that stores the...
Very cool, thank you. If you rename the thing and overwrite it, then it overwrites the map. What a lesson learned. Okay, yeah, basically, So, how do LMU files work? And how does it know, right, what goes where? What is it and how to open it? A map used, what? A map used by role-playing game RPG made for Windows XP. It includes different types of terrain, map layout, and objects such as plants, trees, and rocks. It is commonly based on themes such as mountains, forest, cave, etc. Okay, very useful information. But EVZ RPG tools.
Matt.
I'm Matt. That's me. I'm the live streamer guy. I should really get a font that works better.
Matt T.
That's me. I'm Matt. Matt Real. IRL Real. Can cache.
Smiley face. The real.
The IRL Real. Real life. Truly real. Not even fake. Guys, am I actually interested in doing this? I'm already getting kind of bored of this idea.
What are you doing, RN?
Okay, so what I wanted to figure out is I downloaded Yumeniki and I wanted to try read these LMU files. You know what? I should really get a hex editor. Or like a...
What for?
What do people usually use to What the fuck? ChatGPT changed. Oh yeah, I usually log in with my Google.
You're not allowed to log in. Hacking into your email RN.
No. No. Since when is my system theme not dark theme? That's a problem. Okay. Fuck it. Top one. HXD. Oh, that looks great. Yep. Perfect. Get me this. For Windows XP. I want the Chinese version. Oh, we can get it in Dutch! No way! No, actually, I just want the English version.
Just sent you an email.
Oh, okay. I'll read it in a moment, okay? What is the English flag, actually? Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Oh, EU, I have to do an installer. Ugh. No, I'm never gonna be able to know where it's actually installed. Let us read the license agreement on stream. Wow, I don't care. Sure, put it there.
Okay, I am gonna poop now.
Have a nice poop, I guess. Let me know when you're back so I can read your email. Cool. Okay, so basically, what the fuck now? I guess I can edit the file, but I don't know which map this is. Oh boy.
Hi. I want to offer promotion of your channel, viewers, followers,
Guys,
views,
we finally did it.
chat
We're
box.
getting another spam
The
message.
price is lower than
Fuck
any
this
competitor.
guy.
The quality is guaranteed to be the
Oh boy.
Auto
We're-
on.
guys, let's keep
Incredibly
talking over this
flexible
right
and
now because
convenient order
honestly, I
management
cannot
panel.
be.
Everything is in your hands. Turn
Go
it on
away.
/off/customize.
Go away.
Go to
I
dogehype.com.
literally do not have a way
Use
to turn
spam.
off my little chat thing. So, okay, good. Phew. Go to hell. Dogehype.com? Are you kidding me? Don't go there. Whatever these people are doing, it's gross. Don't like it. Oh, not shield mode, that's not what I want. Give me a moment. Show mod icons, and then I will now... Oh, wait, yeah, okay, delete it. Actually ban this person. Woo, first ban. It's still loading. Okay, I'm kind of vibing with this music, weirdly, you know? I wonder what this is. Oh yeah, we also have little endian and big endian. It's a decimal bias. Oh, I like this. This is like the little character that it actually represents. Okay, I can tell you with some accuracy actually that these are some kind of nothing. This is nothing. These are just buffer. Then we have 3D.
I was thinking you the freaky music makes you look like a crazy scientist messing with magic numbers.
I mean, I basically am. That's wonderful. I'm very happy about that. I wonder why a lot of these are just 14, 14, 17, 14, 17, 14, 17. And then we have 10, 27, 10, 27, 10, 27. And now it becomes a mess. Right? Is there any text in here that I can actually read? No. Maybe if it's big endian. Yeah. Okay, anyway, what was the word? LMU files? Is that even the right word? Fuck, I might need to consult the community forums. No! Very cool. That's a DLMU, that's different. Hacking the RPG Maker engine. LMU to ASCII converter. For convenience, as far as I can see from the source topic, actual map title data starts at offset 40. Rows first, then columns. Tiles are mapped using 1616 tiles, 2 times 2 will make 3, as can be seen on the colorful images above. Can be used to help in deciphering. If you start off with a map that's multiple of 8 to fit your hex editor. No! Dead link. This just evolved into something else. We're not even talking about that anymore. That's it. That's all the information there is on the internet. How do people even reverse engineer this kind of stuff? I really like the idea of, you know, just taking data from games that already exist and using it in my own projects. But it's such like an undertaking. I was thinking you... Yeah, okay, I already read that message. file header, blank space. File format reverse engineering is the domain of hex editors. Hey, that's this. Typically used more often in display content. This type of stuff is actually easier to do if you just want to mod something, for instance. If
Is
I want
Cheat
to...
Engine also an hex editor?
Kind of. Cheat Engine lets you change the data of a currently running program. Do I have Cheat Engine on this thing? Because Cheat Engine is kind of awesome. No, I don't have Cheat Engine right now. Oh, but I've actually spec'd some skill points into Cheat Engine at some point, and it's really cool. Basically, from what I understand, the way that games work a lot of the time is that they have like, for instance, this is my health. And then the health is set by something, and that's set by something, and that's set by something. There's like a tree that just goes out. It's like a neighborhood, basically. And you just like, this is the address, and then you have like this points to there, points to there, points to there. So if you set this... No, wait. Oh, sorry. If you define this address by... For instance, this is... Because of the way that Windows works, I think, it's like, it makes a sandbox for basically everything. So, like, this is the start of the program. Right? And then it goes, like, from the location of the currently running program, go here, go there, go there. And that way you can always set the health. But it's really annoying to work with Cheat Engine, because you can set this value, but it'll be somewhere else next time. So you need to find this before you can find that, basically. If that makes sense. You have to like figure out the entire path that a value takes before you can like make a cheat that consistently edits it. And this is just for health stuff. If you want to do something fancy, like make a butterfly net catch everything in Terraria, which you can do apparently using Cheat Engine. That's gonna be a little bit harder.
Big brain Matthew.
Yeah, it's very cool. I tried to use this to mod Mugen before. Because I wanted to figure out, like, I wanted to be able to change the health of a character when it spawned. Honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, that could have totally been done in the engine. Who cares? This music is great, man. Obama. Yeah, so anyway, it's not like I can do very much with this right now. Because I just don't know what this is. Frick. Yeah, I think this might be too big of an undertaking for just a little stream thing. I mean, we can always try to look at this more. Clearly, they did it before. Fixed text with... That's not what it does, that's just a thing. Fig, yeah, sure. Wino server seems to be the biggest one. Copying. Type asset struct maps int. Sprites map string bool. Get car sets, get car set gamepath string map string bool file error. Gamepath car sets. If error. Panic. Okay. Make. Yeah, that makes sense, I guess. Gamepad string. You know, I can't really make very much out of this. Import OS, path, file path, strong one string. So, what it seems to do, type asset struct. Okay, so this is what an asset looks like. Or like, this is the struct that assets is. Sprites is a string. They're all strings, I guess. Then battle add-ins is an int. Oh, okay, and a struct is basically, yeah. How do we know how long those strings are supposed to be? Or does it just know how to interpret strings? How the fuck do structs work? I've tried to figure this out very hard. In programming, a struct, short for structures. Okay, I can't read that fast. They allow you to create custom data structures. Definition. To create a struct, you first define the structure by defining the data types. What exactly is even the difference between a struct and just a class then? Declare variables that's of the struct type. These variables are. You can access the members of a struct using the dot notation. Passing structs. This can be passed as an argument to functions or methods by value. This means a copy of the struct is passed to the function, and modifications made within the function do not affect the original struct. Ah, I see. Value type. In many programming languages, structs are value types. This is in contrast to classes, which are reference types and are stored in heap memory. As a result, structures are generally more memory efficient, but have different behaviors when respecting to copying and passing. Using cases, structs are often used to represent small, lightweight objects or data that does not require. Okay, cool. So, if we go back to there. Aha. The maps are a list of ints, and then you have sprites. this is the func get asset. Return and assets. Man, I hate when things are programmed too well and I don't understand what it means. How do you mean and assets and also multiply assets? Gamepad string times assets? Open bracket return assets? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me.
And asterisk are pointers.
What do those do, the pointers?
Point towards a memory address.
Ah, that makes sense. I think. So they point towards this asset struct that they just made. Because the maps in this asset struct is now getMaps gamepath. Okay, so we have system, which is this. Or we also have system 2, I guess. But this is like just a bunch of images, I guess. By the way, Lucy, if you want to join VC, you can. I'm currently in the Matt's community server, Twitch, whatever thing that everyone left. Because I wasn't using it. But I kind of want to start pushing this again. Oh, that's cool. Anyway. Wait, now everyone showed up? What was that about? Oh, I guess it just didn't show who was in the server. Anyway, you're in the server. You can join VC if you want. Might make it easier to talk. Title. What? Oh, okay. So these are all the maps, I guess. But I mean all the assets. Oh, don't.
Video game.
Video game real. Hi, Lucy.
Hello.
I hope the audio is fine. Like, if you're loud enough and stuff.
Wait, is my mic quiet?
Yeah, you're kind of quiet. Or at least you're less loud than the music, but I put it on like minimum volume.
Oh, but I disconnected my microphone and now it's acting funny.
Oh, I see.
But do you have me turned up all the way, or
Yeah, you are at 200%.
and still a little quiet, or?
Not even a little quiet. Maybe LSD Dream Emulator music is just ridiculously loud. That could be it.
Mm-hmm. Test.
gonna try getting a different YouTube video just to.
Discourse. Oh. Oh, I set it back to determine automatically determine input sensitivity. I don't know if it works well.
Yeah, you're exactly as loud as YouTube videos if I make them really quiet.
Oh, so I need to be louder.
Yeah.
Okay, then, yeah, because I was testing some recording stuff and it was also like extremely quiet.
Yeah. Or maybe YouTube is just extremely loud.
What happened was that I unplugged my mic and I think I plugged it into a different USB port, which kind of messed with it.
Hmm. I think this video might also just be really loud. It doesn't make sense though.
Am I louder now? Test. Wait, oh, what? My mic volume is not even showing up in Windows.
Oh, this is my favorite song yet.
Test. This is odd.
Du-du-du-du-du-dum.
I like how some of the Windows audio settings are straight up out of Windows. I don't know, 1990 something. They just Windows kept so much old stuff.
Yeah, it's for compatibility with older softwares.
Yeah. Like Apple just says, screw it. We no longer support 32-bit software.
Oh, jeez.
Windows is the opposite. They support
No
like
fucking shot. This is in Go? Why do people keep writing shit in Go? They did the same for Eichmann, and I just cannot read Go.
Matt.
What's up? I'm Matt.
And I'm Lucy.
Lucy real, IRL real.
In the real.
So real.
It's part of server-side component of a larger software system. Struct definitions, assets. The code defines assets. The struct is used.
Go language. They heard go and they went. I thought it was Google language, like Google not proprietary, something Google related, but
it returns an asset struct, initializes the asset. You know what?
I didn't expect a text-to-speech guy reading out all messages. That's so epic.
I know, right? I made it. It's very cool. It makes me very happy. I still want to look into having different voices per person, though.
Oh,
That would
yeah.
be cool.
And
Thank
a
you for
button to
creating a
cancel
man.
spam messages.
Sorry?
A button to cancel the spam messages.
Oh, that would also be nice. But it's kind of weird. I cannot really stop it from talking. I'd have to, like, edit the DLL.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, we've
Oh my god,
spent
Lucy loud?
Am I louder?
No, I just had the volume mixer set to, like, a stupid something. Because my microphone is very quiet. So I have to have it up pretty far. But then I put you up pretty far, but you just fixed your microphone. Like, I put your volume up a lot because your microphone was quiet, and now you just talked normally and it just went into red. Oh my god, I also went into red just now.
Yo.
Whatever.
Flipping. Woo!
If you if you get bothered by it, viewer, let us know. Is our audio bad? Tell me in the comments down below.
The crazy
Can
dynamite will explode.
you rewrite that chunk of code in Python?
I completely
Wait, what?
forgot
No,
what
wait.
you were doing.
I'm trying to figure out how I can. Okay, so my obsession lately is I really want to look at games and I want to like use the files for those games in a completely different engine. I think that's really fun, right? Like I want to just go like, and I know this is not an easy task or anything, but I really wish I could go look at like Yumeniki or Nidhogg 2 or anything and
Yeah,
just
the Mugen thing.
the Mugen thing, yeah.
At one point, that's gonna work. Just getting Mugen characters into something else, but you also put a lot of work into that, right? And
I
it's
guess
just
so.
the thing is just really hard to understand.
Well, the thing is also because I have to basically reverse engineer the entire engine, like, and the programming language, and so it has to interpret the programming language that they made.
Oh,
In order, like, so it's not like
yeah.
easy.
But first you were working on the sprites,
Yeah,
right?
and even that I didn't get to work. So
But that was also really difficult with just it having memory addresses and all those variables and
yeah, well, I mean, we're doing basically exactly the same thing again today.
yeah.
We're trying to dissect a script that does something similar, I think, to what I'm trying to do. But I don't know what it does because it's written in Go. Because when it came to Mugen, I was just trying to use Eichmann, which is open source Mugen, basically.
Oh,
Eichmann Go, even, because it's written fucking Go.
oh, what is Go? Go.
It's just stupid Google language.
Oh, it is Google,
Yeah.
but
Anyway, Eichmann is pretty cool. Go is a remake of the Eichmann open source fighting game engine that supports Mugen resources in Google programming language Go.
oh,
Yeah.
what is the original in then?
Another like ridiculous proprietary language that no one understands. Like I talked to some of the developers for Eichmann at some point and it was went like, well, it's better than what we had.
Oh, yeah.
Man, friggin' Go. Pokemon Go to the polls.
Go. Wow, okay, that took my brain back to 2017, 16. What the hell?
I'm the elderly. I never forget any memes.
Pokemon go to the polls.
Yeah. Def in itself. Why is it initiating itself? What are you talking about? Oh, because it creates a class and then it initiates the class, and this is what happens on initiation. I see.
Initiation creates a bunch of arrays.
Mm-hmm.
But the script just gets the sprites, or what does it do?
I think it gets the assets. Because
Oh, right. AC maps, character sets, chart.
car sets. I think the car sets are. Well, this is called a chipset here, but I think the car sets are basically these. Right, like the tile sets, basically.
Oh.
These are cars. I kind of want to just look on GitHub and see like if anyone made a what are they called? RPG Maker.
RPG.
RPG Maker map. What RPG map maker? Is this map maker? RPG map maker. No, I'm looking for RPG maker map. In that order, please. What's the file type again? I help. I have brain damage, I think. It was L something. LMU. A bare bones RM2K LMU reader. A basic reader for the map. Okay. A campus map that. Okay. So this is the only thing that they have. Bare bones LMU RPG maker map format reader. Basic reader for the map format. Okay, separate example map reader. How do I use this? See. I guess I'll read the README for informations. A basic reader. If you need something serious, you'll probably need easy RPGs, libcf, or if you need to do some processing, you can use easy RPGs, LCF2XML. Okay. I'll think about it. But how do I run this code? Though.
What is it?
This is supposed to read the maps.
Oh, in C.
In C. MF in C.
Does it have a make file? Yeah, you need CMake.
What does CMake do?
It compiles the C programs.
I don't wanna. Yep. Why does it have like map read H? What is a .h file?
Header file. C sucks because it's super extremely fast, but you have to have a header file which prepares the compiler beforehand. Tells you, well, you tell the compiler like, hey, all of these variables exist. They just exist, so it can, before the program even compiles and starts, it already knows which variables it has to assign.
Very cool. Thank you, C.
Yeah, but it's like it creates so much extra work. C and C++, extremely fast, but also adds a bunch of extra work to make it fast.
Is there a way to just take all this and go like, hey, can you turn this into Python? Separate example and map reading add. What is this, by the way? Map reading add LMU suffix to prevent name clash. Huh? Int main, int argcar, arg, map data, int xy.
Yeah, you could try to convert it.
Well, okay, but then I'd probably use this script.
Looks like you have like the code itself, and then you have an example of the you kind of need all of the three of those files, like the header file, the parser thing, and the example file.
How do I tell ChatGPT? I'm just gonna put this. I don't know if it's gonna say anything. The code provided appears to be C code for reading and yes, very ChatGPT wasn't made for this. Blame. I'm gonna blame it on him. What do I do? I don't care anymore. I don't want to do this. Okay, I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore. I think I understand some stuff, but I mostly don't. The thing,
you've gotten a little further.
yeah, the thing is just I don't understand how this works. The def self init, and then it just goes like, "Hey, can you read this stuff?" Like, where does it get the game path? Right? Like, huh?
Is there a function? Oh, that is the definition of a function.
What?
Get
Where?
game. What does it say? Get game. Where?
Get assets, get car sets, get sounds.
Game path. Yeah, where's game path? Is that
Game path just comes out of nowhere, as if we're supposed to already know where game path is.
is that just a string where you fill in the path to the game?
I guess. You'd figure it would say like somewhere game path is.
Yeah, no, it just doesn't exist. It's like you gotta know it.
But that's just how it is. Look, here as well, it just goes like game path, game path, game path. It's only ever used, but it's never declared. Maybe it is somewhere else in some other file, but
Is there what are the imports and
package server.
yeah.
Oh, that's this actually. Import OS
Sure.
path file path. Strconv and strings. I like that you have to import strings as a thing.
Oh, but I'll here they're all just
Sorry?
game path. What does it say there? There is a function called getPath or something.
Where? In server?
Oh no, it's a little hard to say where it is because the server delay, the stream delay.
Oh, you're right. Players, mini games, party, room, save, screenshots, server, sessions, API assets. I guess it imports server, didn't it? No, yeah, package server. This is server, never mind.
There, oh, in this file, there.
Sorry, Wait, no, we're looking at assets right now, and it gets server as well. So I'm pretty sure we have to look at
Yeah,
server.
but down there, can you?
You know what? I'll stream on Discord as well.
Or you send me the link.
That also works. Message Lucy.
Assets that go. And so you're currently looking where to get the game path.
Game path, yeah. Is the text to speech working?
Oid he oif.
Yeah, it is. You know what? Next time I should do something easy, like make a mod that spawns cheese in Skyrim. Kind of stuff seems to do well on YouTube.
Yeah. Really interesting how, or interesting, just fun to see how you're so into modding lately, or lately. You've always been probably.
Yeah, it's fun.
But
I just like okay, cause it's making your own thing is so much work. I don't want to make my own thing. I want to steal someone else's thing.
mm-hmm.
One of my favorite things, like I think the reason I got into this kind of stuff in general is because I figured out that a lot of mods are moddable. Like, if you go to, for instance, uh, what's the game called? Fallout 4. Um, Fallout 4 Nexus. If you download Nifscope, you can just like take all those assets. Like you can just go like, oh yeah, I like this character. I'm just gonna steal her.
Yoink.
What? Why is Mary Rose here? Huh?
Is that also
Sorry?
Mary Rose?
That's Mary Rose. I recognize that face anywhere. This one as well. I tried to at some point port the anime mod, the anime race mod thing to to what's the game called? The Sims 4 at some point as well. I figured if it works for Half-Life, it should work for what Half-Life? Fallout. It should work for the other thing too, right? But yeah. I never got around to it. Like it should be possible.
Bro, how does that shared work? That's not how gravity works.
Which one? That one? Sorry.
With the stream delay, I don't know, but the gray one.
Oh yeah, that one. I mean, in general. You're right. That's not how that works. It's kind of cool though. I like this mod. It's a good idea. Anime race Fallout somehow. I guess someone else had the same idea. What?
No head. Yeah.
I can't see. What are you talking about? What's the difference between the other one?
What's the deal with airplane food?
What is the deal with airplane food? It's not airplane and it's not food. Anime children. I guess if you want everyone to be anime. Makes sense. Oh, that's cool. They added a bunch more anime hairstyles. Actually, this anime face mod is also very cool. Anyway, I don't own this game, but I could download this.
Ah, yeah.
Use Photoshop, idiot. I like this guy. Anyway, like I said, you can just like take it away. Adult content? Well, okay. Does... what am I? I'm gonna stop streaming. I've been streaming for a long time.
Yeah, fair.
I hope everyone enjoyed. Next time, I hope we can do something a little more high energy. This was mostly
Gaming.
just me poking around and doing stuff. It's nice to be back in the saddle, though.
Yeah. That's it. That's good.
Whoa, let's fucking go! And I was
Get at
streaming
your
on a
feet.
Thursday, so people actually watched. Yeah. Yeah, I wonder what like other streamers do because I don't watch very many live streams.
No, same.
So it's just kind of this is just a look into what I normally do. And I think also from a very meta perspective, I was once told that the best way to like make content is to approach something with a special knowledge, but I feel like right now I don't have any special knowledge. I'm just like throwing myself at a wall every time. I think I should do something that I actually know how to do sometime.
Throwing yourself at the wall and see if you stick.
Yeah, exactly. Well, basically, yeah. Yeah, so end of live stream. I don't know if anyone is even watching anymore. I know Lucy is. It's enough for me.
Mm-hmm.
Remember to follow, subscribe, follow my Patreon or something. See you later.
Sleep well.
Sleep well.